Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we dissect the corporate world, one filing at a time. Today, we're diving into a Form 8K filing from New Era Helium. Don't let the name fool you, there might be more hot air than helium in this report. This report is dated February 27, 2025, so we are looking at recent news from this company. New Era Helium Inc., based out of Midland, Texas, filed this report. It looks like it was incorporated in Nevada. We're off to the races with document type Form 8K. This section is just legal mumbo-jumbo and we can skip it. Basically, it is asking if this report is also satisfying another type of Securities and Exchange Commission filing requirement. It is not. The company has common stock and warrants traded on the Nasdaq stock market under the tickers NEHC and NEHCW, respectively. This indicates that the company is publicly traded. It looks like New Era Helium considers itself an emerging growth company. Companies can elect this status if they have a relatively low amount of revenue. Emerging growth companies get some breaks on complying with certain regulations, especially related to accounting rules. Alright, let's get to the meat of the report. Item 7.01 is about something called Regulation FD, which stands for Fair Disclosure. This rule is meant to prevent companies from selectively disclosing important information to certain investors before the general public. On February 27, 2025, New Era Helium announced its intention to acquire, along with its joint venture partner Sharon AI, a 200-acre site for a 250-megawatt net-zero AI data center in the Permian Basin. Now, that's a mouthful. In simpler terms, they want to buy land to build a huge, environmentally friendly data center that will be used for artificial intelligence. It is worth noting that they are partnering with Sharon AI, which suggests they might not be going it alone on this huge project and might need some help. The announcement specifies a 200-acre site for a 250 MW net-zero AI data center. That means that the AI data center is supposed to have net-zero emissions, meaning they plan to balance the amount of greenhouse gases released into the atmosphere with the amount removed. The official press release is attached as Exhibit 99.1 for those who want to read the exact words. The report also states that this information shouldn't be considered officially filed for certain legal purposes unless specifically referenced in another filing. It is kind of like saying we're sharing this, but don't hold us to it completely. Item 9.01 lists the financial statements and exhibits included in the report. In this case, it's just the press release we already talked about, but some filings would contain financial statements. Exhibit 99.1, the press release dated February 27, 2027, details the company's new endeavor. It appears that there is a typo, since the header of the form says that the date is February 27, 2025. However, the exhibit says the press release is from February 27, 2027.